Okay, it's kind of a rainy day here. We're in front of the Grand Emperor Hotel, and we're going to try to show you as much as we can in this rain. Good luck. Try to anyway, this is the part of the building, and we're going to walk around. We're going to go around that side a little bit, and then we're going to go down that way and show you whatever we can in front. There's like a little, anyways, be right back. You'll see. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this rainy day, there's some people cutting across that way. We're gonna be going that way. So let's just see what we can do. We're standing in front of the AIA building, which is that's a pretty nice sky bar up there. It's like a rooftop, like that kind of rooftop where you can get the top of it and overlook everything, but it's above us. I'll come by and look at that in a minute as well to see if we can get across here. Kind of raining pretty good here. Okay, so we're gonna try. That's our street. I'm gonna try to go across right here. These things are little parking garage things. They go down. It's kind of raining pretty good here. There's a Grand Emperor. There's a parking garage right there. New Johan is one of the first department stores. It's good. There's everybody stopped right there for some reason. So here's the side of our Grand Emperor. We're gonna get in here and out of the rain. And this is pretty photogenic, so a lot of people will come and take pictures in front of it, standing in front of it all the time. The Emperor Palace, there's buses that take people to the borders and all the entry points to China. I guess this is kind of the front office part. You can see inside a little bit. So, yeah, I got some beautiful artwork. I got a little bit of a rain refuge right here. So we're gonna try to go around the corner here. Show the AIA building in a second. Another one of our things that gets photographed a lot. There's Macau Tower over there. There's Macau Tower. There's the AIA building right there. To the top, there's a rooftop. Let's get out of the rain a little bit. So yeah, the AIA Tower. Rooftop way up there. But you can overlook the whole city. This right here is a free shuttle bus, so you stand in line and then you can catch the bus to the border. So I think they're all employees, so that I think at this time there's not many people coming through, but usually a bus will come through here. And this lineup can be really long, especially when it's not COVID era. When casinos over there. And yeah, actually this hotel is priced quite high. I don't know what it's like inside, but I know there's a lot of hotels around here that are quite a bit cheaper, like the Sintra one over here, and it's also looks, I don't know, this one must be nice. Never been inside, but there's a little bit of it there. But anyways, the prices are high. So but this is the location. So basically this location is well, here's more of the Emperor right here, so let's just take a look here real quick. So this is the backside of the Emperor. And the AIA building is the one behind it. There's Hotel Sintra and there's Grand Lisboa. So you are right in the middle of everything. So, okay. So backside of Emperor. I think there it says Royal right there. We're gonna just take a look at that real quick. So this actually looks like a Japanese restaurant. Robotayaki. Looks kind of nice in there. Okay, so this is looks like that's part of the same hotel as well. Okay, over there is kind of a waterway, Nam Van Lake behind the AA building, which we won't film today because it's raining too much. But I think what I will do, Sintra, what I will do is try to walk and give it a little bit of distance by walking across the street. It's raining quite a bit though. And there's the Grand Emperor. Maybe we'll just end it right there.